Tobima or heke no we mufome vijabe ekinoma heke na unyima tosina ni manivye do inyi visi unero no lahivo. Just like what happened to this Ehan entertainment, this Benin drama industry. We saw how the president came out and make his decision. So, but Maniguave live video, I believe today we are Miami meeting in my year, Miami society in my year, Miami club in my door, because they mana meeting, mana club. Like unyema tosi ni meso ye live video ye ni ayawu ni aye ya ni aye ya rioza ge doni akere. I believe the president we are supposed to have right to sanction that person or neither to stop that person. Now, edo we eminau emarere wegbe because iga when I don't go na tie live video presenter here. Some live video presenter might not be happy to call them to join with some. Yes, my young man. A boy metobi mena egi meveru way neki ansa eminiti e bani. And moreover, I believe where is not going to dawn that me picking a phone to call everybody that I think or I know is a live video presenter or is a motivational speaker. It will be very, very difficult for me in that manner. But eniado guakan butana time ya guakan eti mahia no be gun abekpetin we eti otonedo no eti omobono eti omoweno eti je no eti afuede no ruda we no hirie na reke live video if care is not taking agagi mi egbebe ni ka de tele agaga mo isi dagbe negbe viveri oredo sunu narere obo ilele now. So first of all, please, I have my number there. You are very free to call to contribute to this program tonight. Please share this video. Share this video. If fancy menaga miya wefe imani jameji imani lelemehiam, I will be letting us know this afternoon.
Bo do vessel, hey my people, Ajebo say Atiti no fit insult your wife finish she could come marry. Say that one no go possible lie. Hey my people. Social media don't catch fire because of Ajebo, Atiti and Asaboro talk show. Not be small thing. Ajebo say Atiti no fit marry for a president. If you never saga Atiti woman, he no go rest. Say Atiti no fit marry for a president. That one no go happen lie. Ajebo do verse. My people, not be small thing. Not be small thing. That is why they tell you now. More than they insult person wife for no go ye. Ajebo now we know they do saga before. Now he don't be oga of saga now. He say Atiti no fit marry for a president. We say lie. Or say Atiti beg before you go forgive him. If Atiti not beg, he say go start to the saga Asaboro. Since now Asaboro he bring come out now say that be a woman. But then I know Asaboro na be Inec officer. My people not be smarting. Not be smarting. Hey. People they look the thing like joke. But Atiti and Asaboro say they in love. Ajebo say if Atiti no beg, he say go shop here. So now say make I come tell you now my darling people. If you never subscribe, make you go subscribe, so that you go to hear many ogbonge news where they come out for here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you.
Tobima or heke no we mufome vijabe ekinoma heke na unyima tosina ni manivye do inyi visi unero no lahivo. Just like what happened to this Ehan entertainment, this Benin drama industry. We saw how the president came out and make his decision. So, but Maniguave live video, I believe today we are Miami meeting in my year, Miami society in my year, Miami club in my door, because they mana meeting, mana club. Like unyema tosi ni meso ye live video ye ni ayawu ni aye ya rioza ge doni akere. I believe the president we are supposed to have right to sanction that person or neither to stop that person. Now, edo we eminau emarere wegbe Because when I don't go na live video presenter here, some live video presenter might not be happy to call them to join with some. Yes, my young man. A boy met to be mena, a him a way, neck answer a bani. And moreover, I believe where is not going to dawn that me picking a phone to call everybody that I think or I know is a live video presenter or is a motivational speaker. It will be very, very difficult for me in that manner. But eniado guakan butana time ya guakan mahia no be gun abekpeti we etio tornado no etio mobono etio moweno etije no etia fuede no ruda we no ririe na reke live video if care is not taking agagi mi egbebe ni ka de tele agaga mo isi dagbe ne gbe mi be di oredo sunu na rere ri obo ilele now. So first of all, please, I have my number there. You are very free to call to contribute to this program tonight. Please share this video. Share this video. If I will be letting us know this afternoon. Issue no come Atiti. Deba issue no come Asaboro. Deba issue no come Unogbekola. The way the lady called into my show. Because he was show me 3 days ago. Imamwe face meladian, watch a video ni. So I have right to come here to bring my face out and explain to my fans what happened in that video that fateful night. Because emi no can have social media na do where I went in agbe, I went in Osi evagbona kemi no kpiaridiawu. It has come to the time ni mao dao ni mao yeke ruda okpia no kia neze dia gba ori yeke egbo kpi averi oni imudia agbeyi okpia azekia okenu gba ori yeke eri obe suppose no kwaje via onita iviedo emi kemi ni maridiawu vagbona. Don't know one is perfect but enoke no ni mao ese. Even though we are not still perfect, but we must try to continue doing his best in case of tomorrow. Edo where a daughter or waka wari akawin eriodao. Ese wari ese win eriodao. Ami neme. So kwopano no fu egberewo o keke ni malele. A live video na menamie ya wefe. Villa o imaya gbokpe ade, imaya gbokwo. Imaya gbu wa fu ede vagbon. Imaya gbu unwe no ma efu ede vagbon. Ibude eiyare so kwokpa no anado miewe ado amie minati ohuo ma muoma ni ma ya tie bi mahwo ogwe na zebo to no sie yare eme na go atabunu na gbogbovo ma ba upo na joje gbe na gbogbovo ma ba so kwokpa no ti mama ewe abe mi veri oni oragbon na ne ruda koma ragbon no wi emota ho no wi emegbovo okbiara okwo no wi emota ho ra ye megbovo ohe wagbon magba niye ohe we agbon o magba niye egeye ya ta we no nyagbon we nege dame ha ya menu kioya. But too much of everything is too much because when ma bere na we ekene live video na girie na ekeno girie na ekene live video na girie na Diamond, God bless you. Ekene live video na girie na ayo isi gwale gbe no ba adekwe gbebedo because edoni ana seti wo mami na go free. They olakpa ma be here better webo ma ologo. But imaro no awe mi ve na o ye 10 years ya hewe o ye 20 years ya hewe o mana uwe were gbene egbe okweru da do we no kafi o finekere no kieke fi o fi no balose if ya do no go me via onita votana menaga mie ya wefe okpe a wiye o wi yen rewe bona no gun abekpeti uwe okwo na wiye ro ni mena mie ya wefe ka ge ekpeti uwe na joja na bi no mana ka oso me is or the man or the woman have right to come out and debunk my word. Imaya kpetuge imaya gbokpe ade imaya gbokwo ikpievana kate atiti vuno gbekola no zenya sekamena. Let's assume we uno gbekola imari oka imari orede obohani they no celebrate birthday ni me Itie ikmo me boga atia me baba daze. I have the video here. Itie nena kmo I never know him before. Yohe mi no mie no na celebrate birthday. Ohe work bo maki. Ohe we mi no tia me ba we mi no heke me no. Because I did remember I called him we celebrate birthday me. But suddenly it changed. Do harovi unwe ehiebu unwe. Mokba. Edo wu nyimo mabagbona. Ukmona ta yo veno. Ilavo de. Okay veno. Yeah, share this video everybody. Share this video. Ilavo de. Okay veno jehe. Mokba nege ya dame. Unyima tosini ya nyina. Unero no live vo. Mokba ya u. Domani ya mege live video tie bona. Domani ya mege live video tie bona. Ya mege ya tiene president ya. Iya tiene seki gbine jone. A tiene seki bobizwane. Domana mege live video disrespect. So inu ni mene agamye ya wefe na mihima e kavi we. Beso kwokpa no edowe ko boko bono wo kan mu gbokuta egega se uhun omwenya. Because ima nevo kukian deba ima ni manoma si sensimi I believe we nevo kukian ni o bokian ken agbese. Nevo kukian ni o bokian ken agbese. If ya don't go me bia onita. Veni me yeje na egbeye kogian me. Agare me we ima ladien de egbe ni do awe video. Ni ya arovie uhun dana no ma enegbe no le mi wiware e Victor beso kwokpa no na wi magun iwe ladie ya togo mene ise a eru dai ma oni gwe meme edowe a lele no meme iga akwe bedroom ina banwa ikiewu I finish ne idova we omare orieto we me orulehia mena ladia ina yiriru kwehia ube na ya giomani eri ahia ya gisekame Vakia ya gima agati omani omeme ati seki momeme ba yeme. Oze we ni anafine igi unwa edo wa agbowo kane va we azobi hene. Igi asokia but vu worry ome eko ya ye balo me ihenya. Kate iseko bokime. Ni imona ni amu ni aga rovi sekae. Ihwedo ni aga rovi sekia. Okwo bioba itawasona okwo bioba no rekete wedenena okbia okwo bioba no rekete okwo bie president okwo bie kame ya fefefe okwo bikbia wagmo for that simple reason ikwedo they deserve respect agaremie we unyime soyebe mawo but boriri aje ni mana eni wo okwo bioba okwo bima okwo biomonima okeke ni ma dania. It has come to the time we have to put a stop. Ori gima iladia agajoja ni kwedo webo eminu wauda kwegon. It has come to the time we are going to put a stop to it. Edo we normal gia va egegase tanya. Because oru okpa eseti sevo ya. Oru okpa eseti sevo ya. If you write anything here, I block you, please. Okay, mind your comment here. Oru okpa wagbona S37 here. So if you don't know me, iriya awe ina so video ni nedia. So iwe video ni obe sonome ina we ni be gbeni imana ladian. Bi alele gbeni ladian. Iga akin ave YouTube video mi we awe Atiti boku okpa iya we me egbe na wa Atiti be boku okpa iya wa we me egbe na wa so Atiti ye mu egbe ni ekin ayari oku edora oku Nigeria ona mu iku edo ya ijaga nani ona trigger me oyi trigger me viedo ina la life ibasoni imamu gba o meladian meri tabe me nani metana we so wa we bi ku edo sebe nyana wa na joja ni ku edo just like the way or can we ya zera you descend so low you be okan kere ya tie godfather we rundago guwe YouTube rundago sendigo geno ya adeba we tie bonevo ina we exactly unyime na ebo eni nyive derio oga mi kpia no mosebo o tin shentro oga mi kpia no yo boy duoza kungo negbe o wigo ko yan but at the end of the day behind the camera when akpa una ya alalo ko keke sagin As if that is not enough. You thought where you start asking that woman 1,000 euro. Or 1,000 euro at the end of the day, the owner know 100 euro for you to use to support your sister marriage in Nigeria. So I believe where that is the highest share so far. And when you are in camera, you insult some of us, including my enemy. You calling me shentro. Many me ye tase nu poni me gbebe webo. Obi many me ya wina. So ina do ka boge we mini having yana ukmeso na ekwe managmo. These people can be spirits. But mama, we talking with them, we don't know. Because any soro ni mo iga une o ma ni aye amaze. That is all men ni ahin. Because imoni gege ladian rovie no ma rovia ni ladian tie bone no seyan okeke nu ewe egbimo we nyana din azen o me no rian do. And Imanahana, these are the people who does not even have 1, 2, 3 in but these are the people criticizing Niame Begewe or saying where the people like this, how are we going to call them? These people are disaster. When they are telling you they are coming to repair people, when all repair wawe, when all repair your shit is in you. You have not even clean your shit. So it has come to the time we look at all this area. So eri meya la a show and I will know no yeah. So walaki kwedo wana jojani kwedo. Please share this video if you are watching. Share this video. Walaki kwedo wana wajojane ikwedo venyana. Now, eba wedo de koko we Facebook. Nuka wuwe when we tie obeme nokba. After you insult all women, describing their private parts every blessed day. Instead of you to fight a man like you, but when I beware. And before I continue my topic, shame to some Benin women. Shame to why so because one of your boy ya luwa. Shame to you people. Because waga enegbuwa imavenya na ya maken watunya tunu ama wetu wa Atiti ya neru nia without iyama apologize you unyima to sinia nyine. But it has come today where no man or gboma woku e wani kwesokin unero no line bo wanibu wa mahenegbuwa webo. Wanibu na ekinoma man is who wadoni uwa pradi yo all those na be money man egbere nyana na take advantage nyana ya giwa dedegbe because egbe mo be nyana na anyunyi matosi na wana ban wa mwebo gbin iku wa me right wa ya zio we boy na no wa tie boni ku dedegbe wa gagbon ya mwebo gbe ba so na that do ya ro wa na mwebo gbe. You will see these guys with disease from it. But wani kuona ye bi atie ye shorunda wa we ka we e morovia ma we betuna miamia we owuta no mo no gbogede no ma wo o mo no go edo bege ase ve na wo ji eri ahia wo ba me bege ase eke no okpia na ti hu oni wo ashawo bazagba okenu we to bu we ne ye beti ashawo because June we ka go masweni when you are not better than yesweni After all, a webo where you can wear na ya ni eswe ni ga shawo no aoni ave ya we ma different or when one live ye duplex in a webo. You are not different. So that is the reason you are supposed to take this fight as your fight. What affect one supposed to affect all. What affect any Benin women? Not really a webo and those who send supposed to affect all the rest Benin women. Edo who say no so ya gbigbi agiawagmo or asokbiate bawolo was of a. We cannot use that advantage on you people to start insulting you people anyhow. Maybe ni memudiana etoko if you were imana tona we wage o memno kwa me but it tuta na ero mohin iri okwo yo wani be useni koje. At times, a sagging will have been okay down a who. Every no cake many lads in Azagba, a dead beniaka woko gin, woko poto, woko ekenina Tony, Evana tag is seko near you wa. Igamo tioko, Evana tag is seko tioko. We are supposed to know this. But when I am here where he mess around on my video, one equal ni bun wire correcting ya, one ya tie platform in his say. Wani oya tie platform ini say encourage them the more because why we feel where any waso or sweni o mavi. But I want you to know where or who corners wo or go gbe wai ona miamia or ase gbogi o mabe dovi. No eni katama we ekenana tie Sandra shawo evania na ti we next shawo go and mark it sleep and wake up. We're not be adding of a go where I where or walking up by be a where I go here or come over good way or I go he say media where you that man I want to tell you what is was a vagmo. E cannot your orion arameya orion wokara meya where fake be again and not your work work be again because what will hare webu. Or is not free from that name. It's not free from that name because some of you men are deaf. Unero no line bo even why wonis ne esovege wa mind egbuwa webo. There are some women that really know what time is. Ekenana nyunyima tosina you don't see some women like that. Ije mege mi like yo salobo no deba we say anu venu ya gbina ni viedu venu ya defend venu ya ka we na munyime na soto God will bless you. Women who deba women who love. So wanikwe so it has come to the time no why where you people have to have your dignity. I am not siding women here. I am not siding women, but that does not give the guarantee to some group of men, illiterate. These are the people. Oh man, no me who dana genage orien bo na orien do yanage e Frankie no bekola oh my oni me miame. If you have been in Western world for 10 years, you are not able to visit your medical to do you a thorough control and the Morocco e ulari. Okay, why oni me miame? And it baffles me today where omani yage where ozo we saying omani yage what temu saying omani yage what enegbe saying enya oni amu boto just because they want people to look them and they vani yana mige de venu udana je na Victor e Victor mana tie bono pe atie bono hu e mi go ya gwebo aso wanoje. E Victor mana tie bono pe atie bono ko ogun no gbe kola e mi go ya asigo wanoje ni ba bo ana la egbe no na suhu wuge Victor. Victor have come to Western world to disgrace all Benin men and Benin women. What total wage do o ma ron ovi ohana ma egugun. Ovi ohana ofiruge secretary monobane. Even though the secretary of the king ona wa bemiku ovi ohana keregbe no gwegun. Who is Victor? Who is Victor to talk to Bobizwa? I Victor no ogu seke iseke Bobizwa gwan dege mi no ene ramoto no ramoto. E Victor as a company even iseke Bobizwa gi. Et oraki moto. I Victor no ogweru wana gwan. I Victor no ogu ave dignity people na ya gwan. Ovi o kano dwe kinana emebe wan motive webo. Just because you are not easy to catch, you are not easy to get. But we camera no ru palo weba ufi wo atalakpa. Ofe wi ru boko ona take ba atalakpa ofe yi la de ona kini bieka yako. But one day will come. You will pay for all this atrocity you have committed. It's a promise. You will pay for it, Victor. Because we cannot continue taking it, see you dragging all Benin women to the mold. We cannot take it. It has getting too much. So now, if you don't know, a video. Please, if you have not shared this video, share this video. A video. Maybe a video in a Madam Asaboro or TAU. Please, in this video, the purpose of this video, I am explaining myself to my fans. So, Umerat Nwayati also advise me what to do because when me na egbi meton me my girlfriend Atiti ebona I make the Atiti ari okwo yo wa e the Atiti ari okwo yo wa I make her even my wife is waiting that day. Even my wife is waiting that day. So me so when me mi ujo ure na iwe ha no ni sanga miamia no hoy miamia. If I have an issue with you, deal with me, I deal with you. But not you using that opportunity facing my wife or neither facing my family back home. Because figure we boy, I act him be. But una miamia where 10 years is not forever. 10 years ya agba babana ogbane. Ama wherever say 10 years, I kept the kwegbe. I make de ne Victor, vele Victor yen uno be call ni. No le ni we wa bagme de no ori okoyo wa. Then he will know who is agamia ya ofe. Oga gbe mejo bi ogwenije. Because a baking out here and a maybe a girlfriend in the you cannot beat others one's wife. Nego western where you call her peacefully. So if you don't know me, erido ya te preaching in Nigeria. Merita Nigeria merige okona wa iti. Oriti e wa bere picture me ka bere picture neve YouTube. Ya mwe picture ko ga titi neve the YouTube. May wa bege na wa. Madam Tuamen, a very, very educated woman. Please share this video, please. If you are my fans, share this video, please. This video is because of my fans. I want you people to call and give me an advice. Please, okay?